everyone, it's me Mukil again. Today we're doing something different than the other videos. Today I'm gonna tell you some really silly pet jokes. Together we'll enjoy the jokes. Keep watching this video. Okay, the first one, the babysitter asked the owner, "Does your kitty drink with a saucer or a cup?" "Neither, he drinks with his tongue." That's really funny. Now let's move on to the second one. Franklin came school to home and said, "I had to write a composition on my page." And his brother said, "Gee, won't the ink run in the water?" All right, third joke. The man walked up to the postal clerk and asked, "Any mail for Max?" And the postal clerk replied, "No, and none for your puppy either. Next time I'll try to get a mail." Next one. What kind of tree a cat would never climb? I'll give you a moment to think. Oh, it's dogwood, like redwood. Next one. What's a cat's favorite side dish? Let you think for a moment. Like macaroni, it's my-saroni. What kind of pet loves snack food? A chipmunk. See that chip in front of the monk? What kind of cats eat with its feet? All of them. I hope you all enjoyed the silly pet jokes. Thanks for watching. Please support and subscribe.